Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Dr. M.H. Chennaiya. In this video, we are going to draw the projection of a square pyramid whose side is going to be 30 and the height of this is 60 millimeter. And let's see what is the question we have for today's video. The question reads like this: a square pyramid of side of base 30 and axis or the height 60 rests on HP on one of its base edges. Let us stop the question there. So this square pyramid has to rest on one of its base edges on HP. In other words, in the initial position, the pyramid is to be so placed on HP such that its full base is on HP and one of the base edges is to your right side and that is normal to VP. So friends, I keep this pyramid on HP such that one of the shorter edges normal to VP obtain its top and front views. In the top view, you are going to get a square and I will just name this as ABCD. It is a square with the vertex O. So in the front view, we are going to get a triangle with base is equal to 30 millimeter and height is equal to 60. We will project all these points and obtain A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and this will represent the front view of the pyramid when it is resting on HP on its base. In the top view, OA, OB, OC and OD represent the top views of the four slant edges like OA, OB, OC, OD, etc. of the pyramid. But in the question it is given such that the triangular face containing that edge, suppose say this is the edge, triangular face is this edge, is containing that edge is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. So it was like this friends. Now I have to redraw this like that such that the triangular face containing this edge, that is say edge CD, is inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to HP, something like this, and obtain the corresponding top view. Friends, here I have to redraw this figure. In the front view, O dash, C dash, D dash represents one of the triangular faces of the pyramid. And this is redrawn here such that this triangular face O dash, C dash, D dash is at an angle of 40 degrees to the HP, and this point becomes A dash, B dash, O1 dash is the center of the base, O dash is the vertex of the pyramid. And friends, remember, in all the solids and also in the laminae, figure number 1 and 2 in the front view will always be the same excepting for the orientation. So figure number 1 is written as figure number 2 with the triangular face OCD at an angle of 40 degrees to HP. Now we have to obtain the top view. I see the solid from the top view and obtain all the four corners and the vertex. How to obtain? Friends, let's start from point at the corner A. Draw a vertical line from A dash, a horizontal line from A. Now point where those two intersect is point A. Likewise, vertical line from B dash, horizontal line from B. It will give you point B, this is C, this is D. O is the vertex and this is O1 is the center of the base. And friends, if you look from the top, I'll show you practically. When it is kept like the edge on which the solid is resting, that is CD, this CD is not visible to the observer in the top view. And hence I am going to show this edge by dotted lines. And this O1 represents the axis of the solid in the top view. So friends, we have drawn this top view when the triangular face is making an angle of 40 degrees with the HP. But finally he says, draw its projection when the shorter edge of that face is parallel to VP and nearer to it. Friends, if you observe here, the object is resting on CD, the shorter edge of the base. That CD is now perpendicular to VP, but as per the problem, it has to be parallel to VP and nearer to it. So this has become parallel to VP and it's nearer to that. That is figure number 3 is redrawn as figure number 4 with the same dimensions. And let's see what are the points you have got here. This is point A, this is B, C, D, this is O1 and this is O. We have drawn this again here. Same figure. Figure number 3 and figure number 4 are exactly identical and this is applicable for all the problems on solids and also on the laminae. Friends, this is the final top view of the solid when the edge on which this is resting, that is that CD is the edge on which it is resting is now parallel to VP and we have to obtain the final front view of the solid. How to obtain it? Friends, let us start from point A. Draw a vertical line from a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is A dash. Similarly, you get B dash here. This is C dash and this is D dash. C dash D dash is the shorter edge or the edge of the base on which the pyramid is resting. And friends, if you look from here, the edge AB is not visible, hence I have shown by a dotted line. And the vertex O is joined to all the corners. That is O dash A dash is one of the slant edges. Likewise, O dash B dash, O dash C dash, and O dash D dash. These are the four slant edges of the pyramid. And this figure will give you finally the front view. So this front view and top view will represent the projections of the square pyramid which is resting on one of the base edges on HP with that particular triangular surface at an angle of 40 degrees to HP and the side on which it is resting is parallel to VP. Hence, this gives the complete solution for the projection of this square pyramid. Friends, please go through the complete video. If you like this video, please share this information about my video and also about my YouTube channel link, namely Engineering Drawing and Machine Design by Professor MHA. Thank you friends for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.